All right, we're just real quickly going to take you through some of the sounds of the Protein pedal. I'm playing a guitar that has Lawler Jaguar style pickups in it. I'm on the bridge pickup. I'm playing through a 100-watt super bass plexi sort of a head into a G12 H30 speaker. All right, I'm going to turn on the blue side of the Protein. Now I'm going to turn on the green side, the more saturated side. Now I'm going to turn them on both together so you can see how they stack together without losing the definition.